Hey, it's CopperCarver, and today we're doing the unboxing of the EasyEra RGB digital wall clock. So I've come across a couple RGB clocks that are a little bit smaller that go on your desk, such as the Atomic Voyage clock that I did, and there's been a couple others here and there. But this is one of those more that's leaning towards the traditional type clock, the big round one that goes like in the corner of your room or somewhere on the wall or somewhere that you'd see in the classroom. That's a lot cooler, of course. Why is it a lot cooler? Because it has RGB lights, and of course this is CopperCarver. We have everything RGB. This can do your temperature, your time, your date, your day of the week. It does have music modes. It has alarms. It is your all-around type of clock. I already have a clock that is in here that is a super cool kind of abstract looking clock. This may replace that. We'll see, or I'll donate this, or we'll see what happens. Something I will tell you real quick is, sadly, this is only run via USB. Normally, whenever it's run via USB, any of my products, that's super exciting because it means you can put it in a lot more places. But for a clock, personally, I'd rather have it where it's battery powered. That way you don't have to have a long cord from somewhere up high. But maybe the cord is long enough where we can make it work. But you know what? Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got in here. Okay. Looks like we have the clock right here itself. A nice protective bubble. And this. Oh, guys, this is a very slick top, like it's matte or something. That is nice. Let's flip this over. Okay, here is this. Well, there is a little battery there. Maybe it uses a battery and a plug? I don't know. Interesting. We'll take a look at this again here in a minute, but I'm gonna set this right here. Okay, right here we have the user manual. So that's cool. All right, right here, and this does look decently long. So maybe it will go where I would like it to go. Let's take a look at this cord right here. Yeah, that's very long. That's nice. A little USB. And it looks like it actually does come with a USB plug. So that's nice right there. Okay, what else we got? Right here, looks like a mount for it. Yeah, okay, a little mount. A lot of things in here. You can maybe do double-sided tape too, maybe, but I'm assuming this goes in the back right here. These things are pretty simple. Like, I don't think I need to show you all how to do that. All right, and right here, looks like we actually have the plug. I'll admit, the plug doesn't look that cheap. So here's the plug, a couple different things on it. Alt 1 or alarm 1 set, time set, alarm 2 set, 12-hour, 24-hour, DST, minus plus, light, dimmer, display colors, light time, BT, Bluetooth, Celsius, Fahrenheit, audio, Bluetooth. So I'm assuming that's just it reacting to the sound. But there's a volume remote. So I'm curious about that. But yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and put this together. After I give you all a quick closer look, and then let's look at the light effects. I'm excited to see them.
Promise you
You know, looking at this light, I actually love it. And what I'm even more impressed with is a lot of times certain RGB lights will drown out other RGB lights. And despite having this on and my other Govee lights around it, it still shows up very well. So I actually connected it via Bluetooth, and then it automatically adjusted the time and everything, and then I disconnected it. Something I will say is that the temperature isn't accurate. Like, it's actually like 85 outside right now, and it's showing 77. And it's sure not 77 inside the house. But I mean, it's pretty close. And honestly, you know, I have other ways of checking out the temperature. Maybe that's something on my end, but the time and everything adjusted right away. The date, I'll admit I haven't tested out the alarm. Most of us aren't going to use a clock like this for an alarm, so I feel like it's not that important to show you. Just know that it does have an alarm. The little music button that was on this, no, it's not music. What it is the volume and the alarm being on and off. Yeah, I like where it is. I like how it looks. And if you're an RGB person like me, I think this is for you. And for like $30 to $50, depending on sales, I'd honestly say it's worth it. And all the different color modes, while it's rotating, look really slim, look really slick. Something I will say is on the color modes, you know, it'll say color mode 1, color mode 2. Periodically, it would mess up. And sometimes, like, I would see red be under color mode 1, and then sometimes color mode 8 after I would cycle through. I'm assuming it has the color modes 1 and 2 for one, so you can differentiate, but also, you know, if you want to be like, oh, color mode 7 is my favorite. It seemed like sometimes it changed what number it was, but maybe that's just with speed whenever you're going through really quick. But yeah, really cool light. I like it. I'm glad it fits. I'm glad that the cord was long enough. It actually like kind of goes alongside, and I'm still able to plug it in. But yeah, guys, I'll put the link in the description. I appreciate y'all checking out this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.